All right, so this is a room tour of interior stateroom 8294 aboard the Carnival Radiance. The Carnival Radiance is a refurbed ship within Carnival, and everything looks pretty nice so far. But for the room, just to begin, this is our front entry door. You're gonna have your life vest right here, right in the front. Pull that open, and that's also going to be where your safe is, along with your life vest and also some extra bedding. The next two closets here, floor to ceiling. The first closet here will have some hangers, but the nice thing is it'll go all the way down. The next closet, you also have hangers too, and some shelving up top, but notice that you do have a shelf here that kind of blocks it, so maybe some t-shirts or so, but not so much dress or long jackets. But down here you are given a refrigerator. It's empty. Next we have the bathroom. Before I do the bathroom, you do need a card to keep the lights on, so I would highly recommend that you bring some sort of empty gift card or so, and you can use that to kind of hold it in place. I do have one, I just don't have it with me. It's actually upstairs, so yeah, just using my my VIFP card for now, or my sign and sale card, that is. Here are your light switches, and then we have the bathroom here for two people. Both my wife and I were, it's just us two. It's fairly sizable. It works for us. I guess it's not the smallest bathroom that we've been in, so yeah, so it's nice. All right, so you are given a hand bar soap here. Note the extra toilet paper down there. Kleenex tissue here. They do give you a couple glasses. Your hand towels, face towels, body towels, and then your shower. Stand-up shower. Soaps are given to you, a shower gel and a shampoo. More than welcome to bring your own. On to the main living area. Close this door here. By the way, this door, there are two hooks here to hang robes or shirts, towels, etc. Just one thing to note, it actually can't stay open because there is a magnet up top like so. A new thermostat. Back in the day, you used to have to go to the ceiling to turn your fan higher and lower, so you'd be jumping on the bed. But now you just have a nice little thermostat here to kind of adjust accordingly. So, all right, so on to, I guess, the main living / desk area here. Your phone, you have your bottle of water. This bottle of water is not the one that you get with red card and above. As you can see, there is a price tag on here. So that's how you know that if you do decide to take this bottle, you're gonna get charged on your sign and sale card or in your room. A couple glasses here, a couple cabinets here. The first drawer, surprise, is actually your hair dryer. Empty drawer. And also empty drawer like so. We are sailing in the end of February, right before March 2022. So they did provide us with 2 KN95 masks during our cruise, our sailing. We are required to wear masks indoors. All right, a couple other things here. We did buy, we bought 2 cases of water, so 2 12-packs, so they just gave us a single 24-pack here. You can't bring water on board, but before your cruise, you can actually purchase 12-pack bottles. They're about $5 each. So you can go ahead and purchase those ahead of time, and they'll be delivered to your room. I like the TV here. It's a nice, I want to say 32-inch or so, 37, not 37, probably a 32-inch. This is a Samsung TV. Nice swivel action here, because if you have the bed here, sorry, our jackets are laid out like so. This is a king, but obviously you can split it up into 2 twins if needed, and then you each have your respective nightstand drawers here. All right, so for my wife and I, for just a 3-day cruise out to Ensenada, well, it's gonna be a sea day and then Ensenada. So that's the first. Usually we hit up Ensenada first before we do the day at sea. But by the way, this is your morning breakfast tag. So leave that out before at night, and they'll pick it up and they'll deliver you some breakfast. All right, all in all, you know, for interior stateroom, decent size. We've been in interiors and balcony rooms before and suites, but you know, for an interior room, it's actually not too bad. So we look forward to just vlogging more of our trips here. So thanks for watching.